Willow Worm's Big Day is an engaging children's book that introduces young readers to the many wonders of vermicomposting. Through Willow Worm's story, children learn how worms help to reduce food waste and then take that waste and turn it into a soil amendment that is nutrient rich and biologically diverse. And I really feel like this highlights the critical role that they play in environmental stewardship. I also wanted to be very intentional in the way that I wrote this book because I wanted it to support early literacy by encouraging conversations between caregivers and their children. And I wanted to introduce children to more advanced vocabulary at a younger age because I feel like this helps to foster comprehension and a deep passion for reading as they get older. As little ones follow Willow's adventures, they not only grasp important ecological concepts, but they also are developing essential language skills, which I think helps to cultivate innovative and critical thinkers and bold and courageous leaders, which I feel is so important as we continue to evolve and expand as a species. This book was an absolute honor and privilege to create. Head over to pgwormfarm.com, grab yourself a copy, and let me know what you think. Peace.